You have learned about IP addresses, but how do devices actually find each other? Let's organize the chaos of networks. Each device has a unique IP address, like your home address, but just having an address isn't enough. Networks need structure. Subnetting splits a network into smaller groups. This keeps network organized and secure. For example, one subnet for employees, one for guests, one for servers. Each subnet has a gateway, like a door, to talk to other subnet or the internet. Devices send data to the gateway, which decides where it goes. Routing is how devices find the path to other networks. Routers read IP addresses and forward data efficiently, like GPS for your packets. Imagine an office employee laptop are on one subnet, gets Wi-Fi on another. Servers are separate. This prevents congestion, improves security, and ensures everyone can communicate efficiently. So now you know IP address identify devices, subnets organize them, gateways let them talk, and routers guide their data. Next, we will explore DNS and how names are translated to IPs, the internet magic behind the scenes.